Welcome to Relocating to Disney. Well, here we are in the furnace room where the air conditioner is, and I'm going to show you a common problem that happens here in Florida, and it just recently happened to us again, so I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to fix it again. If your air conditioner won't turn on, I'm going to show you an easy fix that might save you hundreds of dollars from having a repairman come to your house. The air conditioner's drain pipe gets clogged with sludge, and then this device detects that the water is backing up and will shut the air conditioner off to prevent flooding. The air conditioner pulls moisture out of the air and sends the moisture through a drain pipe located on my air conditioner down here. Drain pipe goes down through the floor and exit out through the side of the garage. So you're going to have a drain cover somewhere on the air conditioner. Here's mine. It's in an awkward spot, but they almost always look like this. And this is just a cap that comes off. And when you look inside, you'll see it's filled with water. There's a safety valve on here. There it is. This safety valve, when it detects there's water, it will not turn on the air conditioner. It will shut it off because it's saying that the drain pipe is plugged. So if this is filled with water and this cap just comes off and you look down inside, and you can see there's like a plunger there, and I've got water inside of mine, that plunger will rise and tell the air conditioner not to turn on. So what this device will do is, as the bottom fills up with water, this lifts and it will shut off your air conditioner. So you have to get the sludge out of the drain pipe. You can prevent sludge from building up if you just regularly use some white vinegar and pour a little bit in that drain pipe on a regular basis. Normally on a maintenance cycle is I'll just pour some vinegar down that drain to keep it nice and clean. But even with that, occasionally I do have to stick the hose down in here, get it pretty far down in, and then flush it out. If this drain gets clogged, the water is going to back up and it's going to back into the air conditioner. Now the idea is that when that happens, this float is going to shut the air conditioner off, and that'll prevent having a flood. Well, let me show you what I use for this. This here is a hose, and it was an old hose. I cut the end off of it, and then I just saved this. And this is what I use to clean out that air conditioner drain. So I've got the garden hose. I shoved it pretty far down in here. I want to make sure it's past this pipe, but I'm way down in here now. This is because you don't want the water to come back up and go into the air conditioner. So this is what it looks like after we cleaned it out. You can see all this white sludge that's down here. And all that white sludge came out of the pipe, and now the pipe is clean and you can see it's flowing the way it should be. That is it for your air conditioner drain, how to maintain it, and what to do if your air conditioner won't start up.